Why is it so important when giving closing arguments in a medical malpractice jury trial to look the jury straight in the eye when you talk to them? Would you like to know the answer? Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. I was in court this morning and I sat into closing arguments on a medical malpractice case. And I was listening to a very experienced defense lawyer. He was representing the doctors who were being sued, give his closing arguments to the jury. I had seen this attorney many times before. He's a somewhat arrogant, somewhat pompous, but very, very good, experienced attorney. Except he was doing something that I thought was very unusual. He was not looking the jury straight in the eye for most of his closing arguments. Instead, for most of his closing arguments, he was looking down at the floor. He wasn't looking at them directly. And that I found to be fascinating. When you are communicating with someone, when you are talking to them, it is critically important that you look them straight in the eye. Why? Because it tells them that you are listening. It tells them that you understand. It tells them that you are paying attention. If instead you are talking to somebody and they are right in front of you and you are looking everywhere but their eyes, that creates a psychological problem. And it tells the other person that they are not so important. It tells them that there's something going on here, that you cannot look them in the eye, that your attention is diverted, that now you're paying attention to the floor, to the wall, to something else. And that is a critical flaw that I noticed during the course of these closing arguments. Want more information about how these cases work in New York? Follow me. Have questions about your own matter that happened here in New York? Well, if you have not yet started a lawsuit, but are thinking of doing so, and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.